Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Academy English. Here is a brief and comprehensive guide to English tenses. I have summarized all the tenses. I will tell you the structure or the form of the tense, some example sentences, and you can write your sentences in comment and I will correct them for you. Let's start with simple present tense. Structure is subject plus verb or subject plus verb, base form of the verb. That's why I'm going saying it V1 is first form of the verb plus S, ES or IES. Examples are she reads. This is verb plus S. Read plus S. Reads. She reads a book every evening. He practices yoga daily. Next is present continuous. The structure of this tense is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb plus ing. Example is the kids, that's the subject, are playing. Play is the verb and then ing in the park. She is baking a cake right now. Third one is present perfect. The structure is subject plus have or has plus third form of the verb or the past participle form of the verb. Examples are they have completed their homework. They is the subject, have, and completed is the third form of the verb. He has just returned from the market. Number 4. Present perfect continuous. Structure is subject plus have or has plus been plus be, which is verb plus ing. And here we will use first form of the verb. Whenever we use ing with verb, we always use first form. Examples are she has been studying for the exam for hours. They have been running to catch the train. Then is simple past. Subject plus second form of the verb or subject plus verb plus ed. He wrote an amazing story last night. They visited the museum yesterday. Next is past continuous. The structure is subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Examples are I was reading when you called me. Another example is they were watching a movie during the storm. Next one is past perfect. Structure is subject plus had plus third form of the verb. Examples are by the time she arrived, the event had ended. Another example is he had finished his homework before dinner. Next tense is past perfect continuous. The structure is subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing. Examples are she had been painting for 2 hours when we arrived. Another example is she had been waiting for the bus since morning. Number 9. Simple future. Structure is subject plus verb plus first form of the verb. Examples are I will call you tomorrow. They will travel to Japan next week. Future continuous. Structure subject plus will plus be plus verb plus ing Examples are he will be working on his project all evening. They will be swimming in the pool tomorrow. Next, future perfect. Structure is subject plus will plus have plus third form of the verb, and the examples are by next month I will have finished my book. Another example is they will have completed their assignment by noon. And the last one, future perfect continuous. Structure subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. Examples are by December she will have been teaching for 10 years and he will have been exercising for an hour by the time we join him. So these were all the tenses.